Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Morning,
Very
ma'am.
good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
It's always good to teach in the morning. Start mathematics in the morning. I don't know about you, but somehow this subject in the afternoon slot seems like a heavy load. Or maybe Snape's potions class. How many Harry Potter fans in the house to understand the comment? Harshita. Okay. Bhumika. Oh, so many. Shubham, Ankita, Sanjeev, Sudipta, Mohit. Oh, I'm so happy. 11. So rest all are muggles. Okay. Let's get started. What did we do in the last class?
Binary decimal conversion and what?
Yes. Binary decimal conversion, BODMAS. Yes. So now, Yogita, as I understand, you will be there the entire session, right? I don't need to allot anybody co-host.
No, ma'am.
So you can take in the people who are.
Yeah, I'll admit, ma'am.
Yeah, cool. All right. Let's get on with the session.
Ma'am, with the before session, we just wanted to ask that last time the game we played, you told us you will let us know how you know the answer. What was the reason, logic behind that?
You're still curious about it. Mohit, did you get to share your
No, ma'am.
statements? Do you have your statements with
No.
you? Then how about this? After the break, you write your 3 statements. Let me have a guess at it. If it is right, then I'll reveal my secret.
Okay, no problem.
Okay.
Ma'am,
Go on. I'm listening.
ma'am, actually, this is my first class, so I don't have any idea what happened in the last classes. So, can you just give a brief?
Yeah. So Ashish and all those who are attending this class for the first time, in the last session, all we did was a basic BODMAS rule of calculations, just so that you don't make errors when calculating some complicated numericals. That's number 1. Number 2, what we did was converting binary number into a decimal number, converting decimal number into a binary number. If you don't know what it is, you can go through the induction course handbook that you have been given, or study material that has been given to you.
Is it provided by the mail, ma'am?
It is definitely there in Quick Force. I don't know if it has been circulated through email. That
Okay,
only
so
others can comment on it.
I need to get the idea of the quick force first. I will get it while
I'll
contacting.
share the content over here
Okay.
on the chat box. You can download it. So all those who do not have access to Quick Force and who do not have access to the study material for Foundation of Quantitative Techniques, I have shared the file on the chat box. Kirti, can you post it on your WhatsApp group as well? or Mohit, whoever can.
Yes, ma'am, I will do it.
Yeah. Ashish, are you part of the WhatsApp group?
No, this is my first class, so I have no idea what has happened in the previous classes.
So in the break,
Yeah.
perhaps they will share the link to WhatsApp group with you.
Okay.
Okay. And you can join the WhatsApp group
Yeah,
and
ma'am.
take it on from there.
All right.
Welcome to the class.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yes. So just so that everyone knows something about Ashish, Mohit, what we can do is we can ask Ashish to write those 3 statements after the break.
Yeah, sure, ma'am, no problem.
Just for fun.
We
We'll
will also
brief,
get to know him little bit.
yeah. We'll brief you, Ashish, what we are talking about after I am done with considerable portion of content.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Um, Another simple topic, something that we have done back in school days. I don't remember which standard it was introduced in. Although I am a humble Maharashtra State Board product,
Ninth
I
standard.
I did not have CBSE, ICSE, and IB in my days. So I don't know arithmetic progression, geometric progression आजकल कौन से स्टैंडर्ड में इंट्रोड्यूस होता है.
Ninth, ma'am.
Ninth, my God. Okay. I think I did it in college. I don't think I did it in school, frankly. Though I don't remember now. Anyway, what is arithmetic progression? Can anybody recollect?
AB series which follows a particular what do you
Series
call
or pattern.
order.
Yeah. So there is some pattern, there is some series, there is some sequence, whatever you want to call it. So a series or sequence of arithmetic numbers, okay, such that the difference between 2 neighboring digits or 2 neighboring units is constant. So if you subtract the 14th term from the 15th term, so you take the number 14 and 15th of the series, you subtract them, whatever difference you will have will be same as the difference between say 6 and 7, 6 and 7th number of the series. So there is a constant difference between 2 consecutive units or numbers of the series. The constant difference is denoted by D. It can be a finite sequence or an infinite sequence. The easiest and the classic example of an arithmetic progression is even number series or odd number series, where the difference between 2 numbers is always 2. So 7 minus 5 is 2, 23 minus 21 is 2. So you pick up any 2 consecutive numbers, neighbors, ajubaju, and you subtract them. The difference that you get is constant. Now, another very trivial but essential point to remember is we subtract 9 minus 7 to get 2. We subtract 13 minus 11 to get 2. But we do not do this 5 minus 7. ये -2 आ जाएगा. हम ये नहीं करते. So we don't do what is written in red. That's wrong. So you take this, you do x2 minus x1, you do x5 minus x4, and not x4 minus x5.
Ma'am, bigger minus smaller, na?
Yes, bigger minus smaller. Best. To be technically correct, later minus prior, not bigger or smaller. Because if it is a descending order of numbers, naturally the subsequent numbers that you have in the series will be smaller in values. So जो later वाला number होता है, so x5 comes after x4. So we have to do x5 minus x4.
Okay, ma'am.
Take down the formulas, and by take down I do not mean click a snap of it. Wherever required, I will insist upon you writing few things down. Formulas are definitely one of them. Never click a pick of a formula. Make it a habit to write at least the formulas down in your notes. Speaking of notes, I always envied those 2-3 selected students in class who not only had really spick and span handwriting, like very neat and clean, but they used to really take down notes also in a very presentable manner, like even while in class, like seated in class, no errors, clean notebooks. I could never do that. I always ended up doodling here and there. But there are such 2-3 students in every class. Notes बांटने वाले. And there are at least 20 students like me in every class who rely on those notes. Okay. Done?
Just a second, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Use the first formula and calculate A100. Those who can do it by themselves, great. Those who need some sort of hand holding, at least in the first question, pay attention to both. So the formula is AN is equal to A1 plus N minus 1 into D. Is the formula correct? Yes, it's correct. Yeah. So we need to find A100. What is our A1?
7.
7.
Yes. What is our N?
100.
Into. What is the common difference?
3.
Yes. So again, please remember the BODMAS rule. First the bracket, then the multiplication, and then the addition. So 9.
304.
Less than 300. So 297 plus 7. 304 is the answer.
Yes, ma'am.
So please feel free to post your answers on chat box. In case if there is any error, I can also find that out and you can cross check. Paridi, I'm guessing that was a typo error.
Yes, ma'am.
All right. If you got this one, you will get the second. All of you, quickly calculate the
one
second one. Yeah, Yagnesh, take your own time.
my father.
So as expected, there are two answers which are emerging. 154. One of them is gaining popularity or no. It's quite a tie. So Soumya, are you there? She's not.
Ma'am, the difference would be -2, na?
Yes. So let's break the suspense and solve. So A1 is 6, B is -2. So those who did not take D as -2 got their answers wrong and arrived at 154. Simply put. And N is equal to 75. So A 75 equal to 6 plus 74 into minus 2 is equal to 6 minus 2. Okay. Is there anybody who still is somewhere shaky in the entire calculation part? Not the concept part. But somehow you're not arriving at the calculations. Last answer. Okay, good. Now you have A1 and A100 in the first question. Okay, give me S100. Give me S100 using the third formula that you have taken down. Using A1 and A100, give me S100 using the third formula.
Ma'am, can you repeat again question?
So how much is A1 in the first question?
100.
A1.
15,750.
7 7.
7.
A1 is 7. A100 is 304.
304. Yeah.
So plug these two values in the third formula, A1 and A100, and find S100, sum of 100 terms. People are already posting answers. Yes,
Ma'am, can you repeat the question, please?
I will solve the question. So S100 is equal to how much? Say for question 1. Okay. In this, A1 is equal to 7. A100 is equal to 304. So S100 is equal to A1 plus A100 into 100 by 2 is equal to S75. Somebody has attempted for S75 minus 5100. Yes, Anjanette. Yes, Yagnesh, please check your calculations. Harshita, Sudipta. Yes. So if you do the same thing for the second question, you will arrive at minus 5100. Do it yourself. There is another charm and a personal high associated with getting right answers. Always. Any psychology students in the class? Any BA students, arts graduate? Maybe not. I'm not solving that one, S75, for the second question. Read the next question. This time we will have to use the second formula. Yes, Keuri. Shikha, just check the answer, or is that a typo? And those who are somewhere on your way in finding the answer. Let's solve it for you. So what's our formula for S50? A1 plus A50. I'm sorry. A1 to A1. Yagnesh, why 27750? What went wrong?
Ma'am, I don't know exactly.
Can you just tally your steps with mine?
No, I'm not getting. How did you get 5 there? Like besides 4 plus 5.
That's a common difference.
Okay, the second one, na? Calculate
This
the
one.
75th. Acha. Okay.
Can you show me, can you switch on your camera and show me your notebook? That way maybe I'll...
Is the camera on?
Camera is on, but I can't see the notebook.
Here it is. Can you see now? Because I'm not able to see mine.
We can see you. You'll have to switch on the back camera.
Okay.
Are you on mobile phone?
Yes, ma'am.
Ha.
Actually, my
Yes.
Wi-Fi.
This is okay. This is okay. This is okay. So which question are you solving?
Like this one, sorry.
This one. No, we are on S50.
That's one.
Third question.
I was solving the wrong question.
Okay. So the right hand column question that you can see, find sum of first 50 terms of the given sequence. We are on that. So again, show me the calculations on your book. This is actually a good exercise. Yeah, that's okay. So 1550 is correct. And the third, the next one that you were attempting is 75. Okay. So what have you done? A75 is minus 142. Why didn't you take? No, you can do it either ways. This way also you should arrive at the answer. So let me check it. 2 into A1, that's fine. Plus D will be minus 2. So minus 2 into bracket 74. That's also correct. Into 75 by 2. So when you solve this,
I get 27,750.
No. So erase the last step. जो 5 into bracket जो सब किया है ना वो erase करो सिर्फ. And again zoom and show me the calculations part. Okay. Like so what will happen here? So if you can just write it down on the below row.
Yes, ma'am.
12 is equal to 12 minus 74 twos will be 140.
Just a second. 12 is equals to.
12 minus 148. All of that will go into a bracket.
Okay.
Okay. In 148 bracket close into 75 by 2. Now you will get the answer. Hopefully you should get the answer.
Ma'am, in
Okay.
formula, is that at the last n by 2 or the whole term divided by 2?
So let me go back to the what's happening over here with my this thing. So this is this particular formula that we are using. It's well bracketed term. So जो bracket के अंदर की term है 2a1 plus z into n minus 1, you have to look at it as a value x1 say, and then n is another value x2, and the whole thing we are dividing by 2. But it doesn't matter whether I write it like this. So since I'm not able to write it with hand the way we write it on board, what I am doing in the calculation is this, which is okay. It doesn't change the answer. So instead of doing
Actually, you
x,
changed my answer.
because you're not using the brackets correctly. So you're supposed to put this bhai sahab into bracket. You have to put x1 entire x1 term into bracket. So ये जो 2a1 वाला story है, ये bracket में ही होना चाहिए. Who had switched on the camera right now? Yagnesh, right?
Yes, ma'am.
This is where you are going wrong. You are not putting this entire story into bracket.
Okay.
So please
Means
pay attention.
my application of BODMAS is a little bit less.
Yes, yes. Now you are getting it. What is BODMAS? Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Perfect. Let's move on. So ये तो थोड़ा आसान वाला सवाल था actually. Now let's look at a slightly difficult one, especially for those who were done long time ago. Solve the fourth question, everyone. So fastest finger first community. Shikha, Rajeshri, Paridhi, Harshita, Soham. Anjanet, please check your answer. And Anjanet, if it's not rude, may I ask what does your name mean? Because I've never heard the name.
Ma'am, it is gift of God and it is okay because everyone has that question. It's thoda unique. So
It is gift of God.
yes.
Okay. All right. But I'm sure people call you by some other name, right? It's a mouthful calling you Anjanet, right?
Ma'am, there's Anna, there's Anja.
No,
Those are the pet names.
I can do with Anna, if you don't mind.
No problem, ma'am. Whichever you feel.
Yeah.
Annabella will also be fine.
Yeah, thanks.
Yeah. Anjan.
I
So
actually tend to do it fast and make errors. So that is not something new. I do it fast. And I do some silly mistakes. So I'll just check what I've done and I'll get back.
yeah, that's
Sorry.
okay. So I don't know if I wrote it in this class or some another class, but I'm gonna write it again. So naturally, those who understand Marathi will have an edge. I'll translate it. I'm getting better at this. So Ghai Tsukanchi Ai. Haste is mother of all waste. Please, with mathematics, tread very carefully. And I was just like you, I always lost marks in the final calculations, like just because I was always in hurry to just finish it fast. And my logic used to be better than others. Like I remember this even during my school times. I used to somehow be better at logic in, getting there. But those last two steps, patience was crucial and I never had it. I learned it a very hard way. I wish my students are not like me. So, Ghai Tsukanchi Ai. I can't hear whoever is speaking.
Now I said, but I love maths. So I make mistakes, but I like it as a subject.
Tell me about it. It's literally my bread and butter. But can't deny what errors I have made, or I do still make. Like my classic error is 6 3s are 24. I don't know why my brain picked it up, but I always used to do that. Anyway. Moving on to geometric progression. Just like arithmetic progression, there is a pattern attached. There is a way in which the numbers show up or are arranged in this series or sequence. But instead of finding a common difference, over here we find a common ratio. So we don't subtract x2 from x1, but over here we divide x2 upon x1. We divide the 20th term by the 19th term. So x20 by x19. And whatever is that ratio, whatever is that number that we get is called as the common ratio R.
Can you repeat that again?
Yes. So in arithmetic progression, what we do is x n minus x n minus 1 to get d. In geometric progression, what do? We divide xn, that is, say, term x5 or the fifth term, by a term preceding it or the term that comes before it. Meaning x6 upon x5.
So in this we divide it, in the previous one we used to subtract it.
Yes, yes, yes. So the latter number divided by the previous number. So two adjoining numbers, if you take and if you find their ratio, or if you divide one by the other, the value that you arrive at is constant throughout the series or sequence. For example, 6 divided by 2, you'll get 3. 54 divided by 18 you'll again get 3. So just look at the examples. What is the common ratio in the second case?
2.
2 or minus 2?
Minus 2.
Minus 2.
Minus 2. Yes. You want to take down the example, so you're done with that? Take down the formula. Actually, do not take down this one. Done with the formula?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Solve the question. How much is the R here? 6 by 3, 2. How much is 2 raised to 9?
512.
512.
512.
3 into 512. Please remember BODMAS rule. You will first address the order and not the multiplication. I have never done this. I have been teaching for 2 years, but no, not visible, right? I'm just trying to show the calculations on the book, but I wonder if it's visible. Or is it mirrored? No, I only can see it, so I wonder how many can see.
नहीं दिख रहा है कुछ.
Nah.
It's like wearing a coat of Harry Potter.
I agree. Okay, over here. Is it?
It's not visible.
Okay, then that means I'll have to like really write big handwriting. Got it.
No, ma'am, it's visible actually. We have to zoom it.
Can you zoom it on your phones and see?
Yeah, ma'am. Even in laptop.
But I agree, it's like wearing an invisibility cloak. Not worth the hassle. There was discussion amongst the faculty members. We were just brainstorming ways, in which perhaps we can solve questions. And each one was sharing their own experiences, that what did work for them, what did not. And, yeah,
Sorry, ma'am.
that's okay. So one faculty said that he used to solve on a piece of paper or book or whatever, and like show it on the camera. And I'm like, try करके देखते हैं क्या ही फर्क पड़ेगा. A while ago, I had seen a Marathi movie. In that, there was a nice line, and it still stuck with me. So, प्रयोग है तिथे प्रगती है. So there is no progress without experimentation. You have to keep trying new things to discover something new. Solve the next question. The formula is there with you. Try and plug it in the formula. I'll again give this one a try. This time I'll maybe write in big bold letters.
Click करो काम का.
All right. The reason I wanted, why I'm trying this one is I did try solving it a couple of times on the virtual board, but I find it very cumbersome to type brackets and multiply and divide. So you're able to see the straight version of it, no? It's not the mirrored image, right? Inverted image.
No, ma'am.
Can you see the solution? Everyone, please look into the camera. I'm trying to hold out the solution.
Ma'am, it's blur.
It's blur even now.
Yes,
मैम कैन
ma'am.
यू शेयर स्क्रीन ऑफ करके आप दिखा सकते हो तो ज्यादा क्लियरली दिखेगा.
How? Okay, let me stop screen share. Now, no.
Ma'am, because of that feature which disables जो भी पीछे दिख रहा है ना, उसके वजह से भी वो आधा जा रहा है.
Because of the background.
That IBS वाला जो है.
Okay, let me go to my video settings. Let me disable. What did I do for virtual background? Now I forgot. Okay. Okay, now I can see my bedroom. And let's see now.
Yes, ma'am, it's visible.
Yeah. So all those who were still working out the answer or who would like to see the solution for yourself.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Like I find it a lot easier. I don't know about the class.
Ma'am, it should be minus 1364, no?
What?
Should be minus.
No, ma'am, it's
Minus-
positive 1364.
It is minus.
positive.
It is
Minus,
minus. My bad. See? Demo दिया मैंने. It's minus. It's minus. I can put it as my WhatsApp status message. It's minus. 1 minus 1024 will be minus 1023. It's minus. And those who are using scientific calculator in your app or something, and you have done minus 2 raised to 10, and if you have gotten it as minus 512, then it's wrong. Minus 2 raised to the power even number will always be an even number. वो calculator का problem है, mathematics का नहीं. Okay, can I hold the book down? Now I'm finding it very silly.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
This was lot easier. But we are not done. But we are done with the time. So we can pause. You can take your break. Ashish, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So are you in for some game?
Yeah, sure, ma'am.
I'll give you a task.
Okay.
And we will see that after we are done with the teaching part of second session. Others can take break. I'm just introducing Ashish to the guess the lie game. And others don't prompt. I know you have already seen this. But Ashish, these are the 3 statements that are about me.
Okay.
You have to guess the lie. One of them is a lie. two of them are true about me.
Ma'am, also you didn't tell the trick.
I will tell the trick after I guess. So what we are going to do is Ashish will be framing such 3 statements since he is a newbie in town, and I will try and guess his lie, and then I'll share the not the trick, the logic that I use.
That's all.
Anna, we can't hear you. You really have to do something about your mic.
Can you hear me now?
Anna, try typing instead of speaking. There's a lot of static around you. So yes, Ashish.
Yes, ma'am.
Which of the 3 statements do you feel is a little far-fetched about me?
I guess you know mathematics tables from 1 to 30 is by heart is a lie.
He's using your trick on you.
Perhaps. Okay, you think that's a far-fetched thing? You're correct. I'm surprised, but you are correct. So typically, I don't know how many of you know all the 30 tables off by heart to begin with.
I know only till 10, ma'am.
20.
I know to 25.
20 तक तो आते हैं सबको, मुझे वो भी नहीं आते because so I had some troubled learning phase of my life when I was in 2nd grade, and I did get 8 out of 100 because I didn't know what to write, what is being asked. So reading and writing was a trouble for me when I was in 2nd grade. And I didn't know why we used to get up every day and be sent to school, which I guess many don't understand till the time they reach 10th perhaps. But yeah, I was a special case. And like every mathematician out there, perhaps I was also dyslexic. लेकिन 90s में ऐसे बीमारियों के exotic नाम नहीं होते थे, so nobody understood. 2 रट्टे मिलते थे मेरे को बस रोज घर आके. And so when I used to struggle with basics, by hearting tables was beyond me. So I think I have reached only up to 10, 1 to 10. Maybe 12. 13 भी नहीं आता मेरे को.
Ma'am, how was your Somaya experience?
So I was in 11th, 12th, na? Carefree life. I used to spend more time in the Maggie or the coffee shop, whatever it's called, and rarely enter the class. Maggie House, yeah. So Maggie House and the chessboard thing was my adda. Like after about 3rd month, so I had like four girls in my group, like total 4 of us. And we rarely used to like take a ride towards the KJ Somaya entrance. Forget classroom. Like हम ride जाते ही नहीं थे. हम सीधा as I entered the campus, I used to just walk straight, assuming everyone is there and I'm late even for the Maggie House. But, yeah.
And then how did you end up being a faculty of IBS?
Well, that's because everything said and done. Should I be bragging about it or I don't know. I was smart and intelligent enough to scrape through in life. And teaching was my passion. Teaching was my dream ambition, like since childhood. Like
So means like you after all you chose mathematics as a teaching subject for you.
Yeah, because whether it was God or whether it was my brain, but I really picked up as I entered the later grades or high school, and I I had started betting on my marks, that how much will I score, even before I used to sit for exams. And I used to be so confident that I used to win the bets even before sitting for the exam. So I remember betting with someone that out of 40 in one of the unit tests, I'll score about 38 for sure. Like margin of error was of 2 marks, and I scored 39. I have
Why
scored
didn't
7.
you try, Messi?
So didn't I try what?
Why don't you try, Messi,
MSc.
in mathematics?
Yeah, MSc in mathematics was another error in my life. I sort of I'm not proud of it, but I did not accept that I was not able to understand the TY BSc mathematics. I was very good with statistics, and I didn't make a wise decision of going for BSc statistics instead of BSc mathematics. And maybe it was too late for me to shift, or maybe I didn't know I can shift halfway through the year started. But I think I would have done better being a BSc statistics. Then I wouldn't be here teaching you. Life was meant to be like this for me. So I'm glad that happened. I didn't score well in my graduation to make it to the MSc mathematics list. And MSc mathematics in Mumbai is offered only in university. And I did not make the list. I tried. That was plan A. MBA was never plan B. In fact, plan B didn't exist for me. For me, plan A only existed. I wanted to be a mathematics teacher. I wanted to teach 11th and 12th.
What was the difficult subject for in BSc mathematics?
What was the
Difficult subject in BSc
nothing was
mathematics?
difficult. It was just boring. So what we do up
Calculus?
calculus and integral जो 11th 12th में करते हैं वो ग्रेजुएशन में नहीं करते. मेरे को लगा कि हाँ ऐसे ही कुछ तो इंटरेस्टिंग सा होगा. एंड बट ट्रस्ट मी बीएससी मैथमेटिक्स इज द डलेस्ट ऑफ all kinds of mathematics that you encounter after going through the 11th 12th rigor, and that somehow just punctured my I don't know skill set. I was very good with statistics. I had scored 80% in my second year of graduation in statistics. I had scored well in mathematics, somewhere around 70 and above, but and I used to enjoy statistics. Like that's the worst part. Like I did not listen to my heart, and I was just fixated कि नहीं मुझे तो टीचर बनना है तो मैथमेटिक्स ही लेना पड़ेगा. And
Their preference, which is the best, mathematics or statistic?
today, any day, I will choose statistics over mathematics.
Okay.
So, so when I do my mentoring classes, like as a part of the whole curriculum, we are assigned to you as your mentors somewhere in your semester 1 and semester 2, even in your semester 3. So I keep my life open as a book for everyone to read. I have made a lot of judgment errors in my graduation, in my post graduation, while selecting majors, and I have no regrets with my life, because I believe that everything happens for a reason. Whether you call it a karmic circle, whether you call it God's plan, or whether you just call it life, I was meant to make those mistakes to learn the hard way, because that's the only way that I understand. Hard way. When things are given to me on a ready platter, मेरा दिमाग समझता ही नहीं है, तो उसको ऐसे ही गिर पड़कर ही समझ में आता है. So I was meant to make mistakes, meant to bruise myself, and the reason I'm able to speak all of it in a story manner, in a very comfortable in my skin manner, that say this confidently, that yeah, I made a mistake, so what? It has taken 10 years of internalization and introspection and whatnot to be comfortable with myself. This is who I am.
तुम्ही कोणत्या कॉलेजमध्ये MBA केलं?
Khalsa, GNIMS.
And ma'am,
Yes, yes.
actually that guess means the answer of mine, the C, was a fluke. So just can you tell me what was the trick?
It's the truth. Like that's the lie.
No means like no means I means how to guess the answer means you were saying that there is a trick to guess the answer.
Oh yeah. That I'll share only after you frame those 3 statements. Towards the end of the session, perhaps.
What should I like?
It takes. See, if you're not intelligent enough to frame the 3 statements, then you will make my job very easy. So I'll show you the next 3 statements also that I had put out on the slide. So the true statements should also seem difficult to believe. And the hard statement should also be difficult to believe for me to trap you, to guess your lie. If you make them very obvious for me, then there's no point.
You haven't watched Game of Thrones as well?
Are you guessing or you are asking?
Actually, I am guessing because you have seen Harry Potter. You are a big fan of Harry Potter.
Now you are getting the gist of it. No, that's not true though. I have a lot of Harry Potter fan friends who have watched Game of Thrones. My husband and my best friend are the example. So, not true.
But you are saying that you haven't watched Game of Thrones. So, but usually I have seen that Harry Potter fans means like they are fans of English movies and English series. And they usually then and English series fans tend to watch Game of Thrones, obviously. I guess.
So you think that is a lie or that's the truth?
I think that is a lie that you haven't watched Game of
Thrones. So I'm so sorry to break it to you that I haven't watched Game of Thrones. Traveling is not my passion. I'm absolutely homebody. No, not per se. I don't mind taking a stroll in nature once in a while. But for that, I cannot travel by road, I cannot travel by air, or I cannot travel by sea. The only means of transport that suits me is trains. Yeah. And there is a difference romance in the train journey, is what I feel. Romance means not the hero-heroine kind of romance, just the thrill romance in a train journey.
My father is a railway officer, so I can get.
Maybe no. Maybe your experiences might be may differ from mine because of that. But I enjoy trains. I think our break time is over, but I don't mind taking a 5-minute bio break. Guys, I'll be back in 5 minutes.
Right.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Kirti, why was the comment? Because डर के आगे जीत है?
Ma'am, because you have choose maths as your profession.
No, I'm not scared of math. Actually, I ended up teaching mathematics to my best friend, actually. So I know this because of her only. At least in Mumbai, there is this trend for commerce students that if you score beyond a certain cutoff line in 11th, institutions force you or consider you as intelligent enough to take mathematics, and if you score say below 40 in 11th, they force you not to take mathematics in 12th. Like I think वो क्या है? There is an alternative subject book. नहीं.
Secretarial practice.
Yes,
SP.
SPOC कुछ तो है.
SP in the SP.
Yeah, so you're forced to take SP because you are not good in mathematics. So please don't ruin the, institution's result statistics. So my best friend, her name is Amruta. So Amruta didn't know this, and she scored really well in 11th standard by fluke. And she was stuck with mathematics in 12th and was petrified because she didn't understand anything. And her classmate knew about it, so she deliberately did not study, did not attempt well in 11th standard. So naturally, she was offered SP and, in fact, insisted upon that you should take SP. So she did not have to go through calculus in 12th standard. But Amruta asked me that, will you teach me? And I am an year elder to her academically. So I said, yeah, why not? Like, calculus ही तो सिखाना है, like वो तो कभी भी हो सकता है. So while teaching her, I realized that, hey, I'm good at it. Not just the subject, but the teaching part of it also. And she scored 84 in mathematics. So it's not a feel good or on paper. Actually, the results were also good. So I realized that, hey, I can think of it as a profession. Anyway, moving on to our.
Ma'am, can I ask the fellow students something?
Yes,
Thing.
please. Yeah.
Ma'am, I just want to ask what is the username and the password of QuickForce?
It's your enrollment number, both ID and password.
Enrollment number and password.
Password is password.
Enrollment number is your ID as well as your password.
Okay, and okay, got it. Thank you.
All right.
And ma'am, there are more progressions, other progressions than arithmetic and geometry, right?
Yes, there is harmonic progression. There could be logarithmic progression, but we are not getting into it. Hello?
Yes, ma'am.
So I don't know, maybe Ashish got booted out, but no, we are just dealing with APGP. Moving on with concepts, take down the heading permutation combination. How many of you know what is permutation? How many of you know what is combination? This definitely came in, I think 11th standard, 11th, 12th, somewhere around 11th.
It was there in entrance exam as well.
Ah, yeah, I forgot those lovely MBA entrance exams. Okay. Both P and C. So I'm writing permutation and combination as P and C are ways in which we select our outcomes, things, objects out of N. So when we have to choose or select, yes?
Ma'am, there's a black patch on your screen.
I can see myself in the video.
You have to
No,
the
ma'am,
screen you're
your-
sharing, there's a black patch on it.
Ma'am, your screen, ma'am.
All right, let me stop share and share.
Start share.
Now?
Yeah, now we can see.
It's
Perfect.
okay.
I'll have to write it again. Never mind. Okay, so permutation and combination. Now is it visible?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Are
ma'am.
ways of choosing, selecting, or call them objects, call them things, call them outcomes, whatever you like, out of n. So, for example, suppose I have 10 objects or 10 letters. Okay. Let's just say we have 5 letters. 10 मतलब मेरे को और लिखना पड़ेगा. Okay. A, B, C, D, E. And I want to select 3 letters out of it. और कम लिखना पड़ेगा. Suppose I want to select only 2 letters out of it. Okay. So how many ways in which can I select 2 out of 5? Okay. ये अगर मुझे जानना है, तो either I'll use permutation or I'll use combination. Okay. Now, just imagine that these are not letters, but students. Is there any person named from B in our class? Bhumika. So Ashish, Bhumika, anybody from C? Whose name starts from C?
Chetan Bhagat.
No, but in our class, D से कोई तो है. मेरे को याद नहीं आ रहा है.
Bhagwan Babu.
Stop kidding.
My mic is on, क्या?
That's all right. We can hear your mind, your brilliant mind at work. Acha, so I'll take the
And random
surname.
letters can work also.
Yeah, but I was going for literal, just for the fun of it. You can't have fun. So Ashish, Bhumika, let's take some random names. Chetan.
Disha.
I was going for Dimple, but okay. Disha and Isha. Okay. And instead of these letters, these are people. And I want to select 2 students out of 5. Okay. Now, whether I select Bhumika and Isha, or whether I select Isha and Bhumika. If I'm making a group, would they mean the same or would they mean different when I'm putting them in a group?
Same.
It's the same, right?
Yeah.
So the order in which they are selected doesn't matter. So that's the only difference between permutation and combination.
Ma'am, it is also called probability. Hai?
Probability is different. We'll get there. I don't know in which session. Permutation is order of selection or arrangement does not matter. Oh, sorry, does matter. And under combination, order of selection does not matter. So ये why am I typing in caps? I'll make another text box for permutation. Take it down for combination. I'll make another text box for permutation. So suppose I have A, B, C, D, E, and I'm making 2-letter Now, if you look at 5 letters A, B, C, D, and you're selecting 3 letters out of 5, such that those letters should be meaningful, or I'm making words out of those letters, then in that case, BAD, bad, and DAB, dab, are 2 different words. That means the order of selection or arrangement matters over here. That is why the number of ways in which I can do this selection or arrangement will be calculated using permutation. In the earlier case, while selecting just 2 students out of 5, it doesn't matter whether I first select Ashish, then Chetan, or Chetan and then Ashish, because eventually they're going to put in a group. So that's combination. Let me know once you're done noting down the points, then we can jump into the questions. So how many of you remember what is that exclamation sign?
Factorial.
Yes, factorial. So what is 5 factorial?
5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1.
Yes, Kirti. So n factorial is 1 into 2 into 3 up till that number n, or the other way around, n into n minus 1 into n minus 2 and so on. So if I have to calculate, oh, this one I so want to show on my video only. I have discovered a new way of teaching. I was actually going to buy a whiteboard and maybe try and solve questions on whiteboard and stuff, but I don't have a spare workstation, to be precise. I do have a workstation in my house, but it's currently being used by my husband. So what was the first question? 10p5, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So the formula, is this visible? Is the handwriting big enough?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So
Yes,
10
ma'am.
factorial
Yes.
divided by 10 minus 5 factorial, which is 10 divided by 5 factorial. How will I express it? 10 into 9 into 8 into 7 into 6. So when you have such expressions, 1 factorial divided by another factorial, okay, so in denominator you have 5 factorial. So 5 factorial is nothing but 1 into 2 into 3 into 5, which is a subset of 10 factorial. So if I have to express 10 factorial, I'll start multiplying 10 into 9 into 8 into 7 into 6. And I'll go further and also write 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. So I have summarized it as 5 factorial. So 5 factorial in the numerator and 5 factorial in the denominator gets cancelled. That is how it works. The answer is 30240.
Yes, ma'am.
Can you give me 12p3? Not 12, 7p3. 7 factorial divided by 4 factorial. Give me 7p3.
I'm 210.
I'll have to do it. 7 into 6
840.
into 5. 6 5s are 30. 210, yeah.
840.
I'm 840.
क्यों?
I'm 840. 210.
7 into 6 into 5 into 4.
7p3 बोला है मैंने.
वही 7 into 6 into 5 into 4 होगा ना. 3 factorial work out हो जाएगा.
But in the denominator it is n minus r and not r.
क्या है मैडम?
210 is the answer. Find the third one that is there on screen. I'm not doing it. (12p9). No fastest finger first. Shubhangi. Anna, please check your answer. Yes, yes to Mohit, Sushrut, Kayuri, Pooja, Samir, Mansi, Mukesh. No, Janvi. Okay, Tanvi, and there's one more. Anna, why is 1320 your answer? What are you doing? You're dividing it by r factorial and not n minus r factorial. So the calculation is 12 factorial divided by 3 factorial and not 12 factorial divided by 9 factorial. That's why you're arriving at 1320. Rajeshri, please mute yourself. Jaldi mein gadbad. Agreed. Or as I like to say, ghai chukanchi ai. I'm moving on with combination concept. Try it yourself first. Similar formula. In the denominator, you have an additional term, which is r factorial. 12 factorial, 12c3 is 12 factorial divided by 3 factorial into 9 factorial. Okay, just trying to explain in whichever possible way you want to remember, you can remember. So what do we have here? 12c 3. So 12 factorial divided by 3 factorial into 9 factorial. Between 3 factorial and 9 factorial, which is the higher number? 9 factorial. So remember that will get knocked out in your numerator. So denominator ka 9 factorial exists in numerator, so you have to knock it out and start counting from the next digit. So 9 के बाद क्या आता है? 10, 11 and go up till your number n, which is 12. So knock out the higher number in the denominator. Over here the higher number is 9 factorial. So 9 factorial and 9 factorial will get cancelled in both numerator and denominator. And you have to start writing from the next digit. So 10 into 11 into 12. We have to stop till 12 because that was our initial number, 12, 12C3. So that will remain in the numerator, or ye 3 factorial will remain in the denominator. 3 factorial is nothing but 1 into 2 into 3, which is 6. So 6 ones are 6 twos are 12. Your final answer is 220. Those who know this calculation without any help, great. Those who have forgotten, take it down. Learn it. I don't know how were you taught this particular concept, but I don't think there is any other obvious way of teaching. Although I have never seen any videos on the concept permutation and combination, so no idea. I was taught in this way. I liked it. I teach it in the same way. Khatam. How much is 5C2? The next question. 10. 10 should be the answer. Yes. And we come to the end of today's technical content. Ashish, we do have time if you are done with your statements.
मैम वो सेकंड नंबर का क्वेश्चन थोड़ा समझा दो ना.
So how many side dishes are there in the fast food restaurant?
5.
5. In the meal that you, so we go to McDonald's or we go to Burger King, and we know our meal contains 1 fries, or it has an option of taking 1 fries and 1 drink. So 2 sides, correct? And we may have an option of 10, 20. So selecting those 2 out of 10 is our challenge. So how many ways can we select? How many permutation combinations, how many combinations can be made? 10C2 or 5C2 in this case.
Okay, ma'am.
5C2 is 10. Yes, Ashish, are your statements ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you share them on screen? Maybe put them on a Word doc and
Okay. Wait a second.
and we also need you to switch on your camera. I need
Okay.
to see you.
Okay. So means do you want me to share the camera right now or after sharing the statements?
Both together.
Okay. Word doc.
You know, this time I have enjoyed all the 3 sections that I'm teaching in induction, and it's such a pity or shame that eventually I'm going to teach only 1 section. So the chances of me meeting all of you again in virtual setup are very less.
Why don't you select us, ma'am?
Even if I decide to select section, like which one is this, Q, right? Or S?
Yeah.
Q. We don't know whether you're going to land up in section Q, right?
Ma'am, we have heard that students are going to get shuffled. So
Yes, you have heard it right. That's the
On what
history.
basis, ma'am?
I don't know what is the basis that they shuffle out.
Ma'am, so this is not the permanent section?
No. You will make more friends and hate them or love them,
So
whatever.
it will be bifurcated by enrollment number, by name, or by surname.
मालूम नहीं. Ashish, you need to share the screen, otherwise I'll ask Mohit to do so.
Yes, ma'am.
So they have different criteria of putting people together. I don't know how they do it, frankly, but based on last 3 years, I know that they try and keep it as diversified as possible. Diversified not in terms of your academic grades,
Ma'am, I have shared my
per
screen.
se. Yeah, but the demographic factors as well, like the location part, your graduation. So they don't want to make commerce का एक section, engineers का एक section. So हर section में सब spread होना चाहिए कि मुंबई का एक बैच बन गया ऐसे नहीं. So they try and keep those things.
मैम ऐसे तो हमारा परफेक्ट देखा जाए तो
But
सब
ma'am,
मतलब
our section is already diversified. So are there any chances to
See,
keep the same one?
the point is, अब तक जो induction होता था, this is the first batch that each and every person is getting quantitative techniques and each and every person is getting accounts. Earlier, accounts was offered only for non-commerce streams out there. So only engineer, science and arts batch. None of the commerce students or BMS students were given accounting in induction. Similarly, all the engineering students were ruled out in quantitative techniques. ये पहली बार है तो उस टाइम पे ये जरूरी होता था कि शफल किए जाए सेक्शंस को. इस बार टेक्निकली कोई जरूरत नहीं है. लाइक I don't know if they want to reinvent the wheel, they may reinvent the wheel. But I don't know what is the need of it. Logically मेरे को समझ में नहीं आता. Earlier at least I understood the logic. So when I don't understand things logically, it's very difficult for me to digest them. So
Is there any chance we could choose by ourselves?
no, there is no chance that you can choose by yourself.
Ma'am, is there any chance that you mail them that it is not feasible?
There is no chance. No, I am absolutely not a listed stock in IBS wall. So मेरे कहने ना कहने से कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ेगा.
तो हम लोग मेल डालेंगे तो कैसे रहेगा?
कुछ फर्क नहीं, फिर भी नहीं. कुछ नहीं. अब तुम you are in the system, you deal with it. Okay. I'm good at cooking. I'm a big Friends fan. I can't see him. Where's Ashish? Yes, Ashish. Yes, okay. So, did you change the last statement? I saw some editing done on the last statement.
No, not means I have just put the pointers ABC. Nothing else.
Okay. Okay. I'm good at cooking. Born and brought up in Mumbai. I'm just, so there is no logic over here. Sometimes it's logic and sometimes I just go randomly. I would say that B is a lie.
No, ma'am. Actually,
you're good at cooking?
Yeah. I'm not a Friends fan.
You're not a Friends fan. Okay. So there were two thoughts in my mind. Basically, there was this whole discussion about, being fans of or having watched some content, and maybe you will pick that as a, truth or a lie. But then that's
Pardon me, ma'am. Can you please repeat?
so we had a discussion, right, about Game of Thrones and Harry Potter fan. So fandom. Okay. So I thought that maybe you will select that as a statement for your truth or lie. But then I thought that maybe that's too obvious. Like that was already done. So I went ahead and somehow तुम्हारी शक्ल से लगता नहीं है कि you are a good cook.
Ma'am, actually, because of cooking, I had chose hotel management as my career first. So I've done my bachelor's in hotel management.
No. I'm just kidding. I just thought that it's too obvious that we had discussion on the whole fandom.
Yeah.
So maybe you will not choose that because then that will, you know. So let me just break the mystery on how I guess. So people tend to make very obvious. You can switch off your camera, Ashish. Truth statements or the lie statement that they choose sometimes logically contradicts their truth statements. I mean, there is a pattern that if this is false, this can't be true kinds. And then, of course, there is some bit of facial reading and, my personal judgment after having taught for 10 years. The body language, your facial expressions speak a lot about you. And now there are some set data patterns in my brain which just tell me that okay, ये ऐसे टाइप का पर्सनालिटी हो सकता है, ये ऐसे टाइप का पर्सनालिटी हो सकता है. सो ये उसमें लॉजिकली फिट नहीं बैठता. एंड ऑफ कोर्स ये एक दूसरे को कॉन्ट्राडिक्ट करता है. तो वन ऑफ देम हैज टू बी लाई और वन ऑफ देम हैज टू बी ट्रुथ. एंड that's how I arrived at it. Although I don't recollect your statements. What were they? Mohit, are you done with your statements?
I've not made it yet. You
We
told
can
twice,
give it
that's why.
no problem. Maybe next class. All right, class. Now, when do we meet next?
Next week.
I have made my own. So I am a complete geek. I don't mind showing this. I always make this as soon as the induction is announced. So I need to know which section am I entering on which day and which slot. So, and I do have my own small stash of fancy stationery collection. So I love color coding things. I'm a nerd. Yeah, Saturday afternoon. Oh.
Next Saturday, ना?
कल है ना?
अच्छा कल, okay.
Tomorrow we have a session.
Yes, ma'am.
ठीक है. Which, oh my God, 46 messages. What is happening on chat? Oh, everyone is guessing Ashish ka truth or lie. Okay, got it. I'm sharing a file with everyone. Whoever gets the file fastest, post it on the WhatsApp group. Tomorrow, or did I already share it yesterday? But yesterday I did not meet you, so there is no hope that I have shared it. I have shared a Calci file. There are 2 app links on it, depending on whether you have an Apple device or an Android device. Download the app for tomorrow's session. If you are an engineer by your graduation or a science student by your graduation, that means perhaps you already own a physical scientific calculator. More or less the ES series, Casio ES 991 ES series, which is the latest in the market. And you're free to use that. My job is half done there because you already know how to use it. So I'll be actually glad. And you are free to skip the session also if you sit for the lecture And like I give you free ride, free permission to just sign in and just zoom out mentally in that session. That session is essentially meant for those who have never seen the face of a scientific calculator or who do not know how to use one, basically. You need it in your MBA classes. That's the whole deal. You will be using it in finance, you will be using it in quantitative techniques and a little bit in an operations as well. So that's all for the day. See you tomorrow. आज के लिए बहुत हो गया ज्ञानबाजी.
Thank you,
Bye
ma'am.
bye. Yes,
Thank you,
I'm
ma'am.
ending the
Thank you,
meeting.
ma'am.
It's been